Welcome to Digital Purchase Order. This is a quick introduction to setting up your approval levels. Setting up approval levels is an important step because manually sending purchase orders, invoices, or expenses from one person to another for approval can be time-consuming. DPO automates this process by routing documents to the correct approvers automatically. To get started, go to the Settings section and select the appropriate approval tab. The Approval Levels tab is used for purchase orders, while the Invoice and Expense tabs contain the separate approval workflows for invoices and expenses. Let's take a look at the purchase order approval levels, as all three approval workflows are configured in a very similar way, with only a few differences. First, define how many approval levels you require. In this example, we have 3 approval levels, but you can create as many or as few as your organization's approval process requires. For each approval level, you can decide whether it applies to all documents or only to documents within a specific value range. For example, Level 3 may apply only to purchase orders over $5,000. Likewise, you can configure approval levels that apply only to documents below a specified value. In this example, Level 2 uses the Approval by Department Only option. Let's see how this works. As you can see, multiple approvers can be assigned to the same approval level. If approvers are responsible for specific departments, you can create department-based approval routes. This ensures that approvers receive only purchase orders, invoices, or expenses submitted by users within their assigned departments. If this matches your approval process, simply enable the Approval by Department Only option for the relevant approval levels. You can also choose whether document IDs are visible at each approval level. If you would like to hide purchase order IDs for declined purchase orders, simply enable the corresponding option at the top of the page. Once your approval structure has been configured, the final step is assigning approvers. You can assign approvers directly within an approval level by selecting a user and clicking the plus icon. Alternatively, you can assign approval levels through the Users tab by opening a user's profile and selecting the appropriate approval level there. Once your approvers have been assigned, your automated approval workflows for purchase orders, invoices, and expenses are ready to use. If you have any further questions, please contact us at support@digitalpurchaseorder.com or call us at +1 888 3767 254. We can also arrange a personal demo for you. Simply contact us via email and we will schedule a call at your earliest convenience.